Hello everyone, this is Noelle Martin with Quick Creations. I'm back with another shipment video of some shipments we got in the past few days. We got Lawn Fawn, La La Land, and Little Darling Saturated Canary, and just today we got the Magnolias in. So I will show you what we got. We got a bunch of restocks from Lawn Fawn. This is the 12 by 12 Snow Day collection. We got the Tag Your dies back in. We got the small stitched rectangles back in, as well as the large ones. And then Saturated Canary, we got some of their new ones in. This one is called Bowie. That's what she looks like as the stamp. And then we got Amber. And we got another one of the candy beans in. This is Spread a Smile of Joy. And then we got some from the new collection from the Hollow. This one is called Christy, and she's got holly and berries in her hair. This is what she looks like. Very pretty, I think. And then this is Serena. And then from La La Land, we've got some more from the last release. This one is called Winter Wishes Marcy. And then we got Christmas Angel Marcy. And got some dies in. This one's the candy cane. This one is the Build a Snowman. This one is the Build a Christmas Tree. And then this one is the Whimsical Flower Bunch. And also the Whimsical Flower Tree. And we got a restock of the birthday banner flag. And also we got a new one. And this one's the heart doily border. Yeah. And then finally on to the Magnolias we got in today. These are the Baby It's Cold Outside. Or no, it's just cold out. It's Cold Outside Tilda. And not sure if you can really see the picture of what she looks like. It's kind of hard to tell on these stamps what the actual stamped image looks like. And then this one is Swirly Tilda. And then this one is Tilda in a Cozy Coat. This one's one of my favorites from this release. And then this other one we got is Sparkle Poinsettia Tilda. She's very pretty. So, all of this stuff is in the shop except for the Magnolias, and I will have them up shortly. So come stop by the shop and check these out, and also check out the new CC designs that we just put up yesterday. Some of them are almost sold out already, so stop on by. Thanks for watching.